In this lesson, we level up to solve questions that involve multiplying one of the equations. Question 1. X plus 2y is equal to 11 and 6x plus 3y is equal to 39. Do you recall what coefficients are? They are the numbers that appear before each variable. In the previous lessons, we could easily eliminate the variables which had the same coefficients, either by adding or subtracting the two equations. But suppose that is not the case. As in this question, none of the variables have the same coefficients. Then, what can we do? Why don't we make the coefficients equal so that we can perform addition or subtraction? To do that, we need to multiply one of the equations by a number that makes the coefficients of one of the variables the same. Let's take the equation x plus 2y equal to 11. Multiply both sides of this equation by 6. We get 6 times x plus 2y in brackets and 11 times 6. Simplifying the equation, we get 6x plus 12y equal to 66. Notice how we made the coefficients of x the same by multiplying one of the equation by a number. In this case, it is 6. Now let's do the usual trick. Stack the two equations column-wise. We have 6x plus 12y equal to 66 in the first row and 6x plus 3y equal to 39 in the second row. Now we can subtract the two equations. 6x minus 6x is 0 and plus 12y minus plus 3y is 12y minus 3y, which is 9y. On the right side, we have 66, take away 39, and that is 27. Thus, we get 9y is equal to 27, which implies y is equal to 3. Now, let's substitute this value of y in the equation x plus 2y is equal to 11. We get x plus 2 times 3 is equal to 11, and that gives the value of x as 5. Thus, the final answer is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Question 2. 2x minus y is equal to 7 and 5x minus 3y is equal to 16. In this question, how do we make the coefficients the same? Notice if we use the equation 2x minus y equal to 7 and then multiply it by 3, then the coefficient of y will become the same in both the equations. So we have 2x minus y equal to 7 and we times it by 3 on both the sides. On expanding the brackets, we'll get 6x minus 3y equal to 21. Now that the coefficients of y are the same in both the equations, let's do column subtraction. Stack the two equations column-wise. We have 6x minus 3y equal to 21 in the first row and 5x minus 3y equal to 16 in the second row. Let's subtract them now. 6x minus 5x is x and minus 3y minus 3y is minus 3y plus 3y, which is 0. On the right side, we have 21 take away 16, which gives us the value of x as 5. Now, let's substitute the value of phi in the equation 2x minus y is equal to 7. We get 2 times phi minus y is equal to 7 and solve for y, we'll get the value of y as 3. Thus, the value of x is 5 and y is equal to 3. Very good. We can go for word problems now. Are you ready? Question 3. At a concert, 4 adult and 4 children tickets cost £32. The cost of 1 adult and 5 children tickets is £20. Find the cost of an adult ticket and the child ticket. We need to find the cost of an adult ticket and the child ticket. Let's assume the cost of an adult ticket as A and the child ticket as C. According to the question, the entry price for 4 adults and 4 children is £32. We can write 4A plus 4C is equal to 32. Next, it also says that the cost of tickets for 1 adult and 5 children is £20. We can translate that to A plus 5C is equal to 20. Now, how should we solve these equations? To solve them, we need to make the coefficients of one of the variables the same. How can we do that? Let's multiply the equation A plus 5C equal to 20 with 4. We'll get 4A plus 20C is equal to 80. Now, the coefficient of A is the same. We can perform column subtraction now. Let's write 4A plus 20C equal to 80 in the first row and 4A plus 4C equal to 32 in the next row. Subtract these equations to eliminate A. 4A minus 4A is 0 and 20C minus 4C is 16C. On the right side, we have 80 take away 32. Thus, we get 16C is equal to 48, which implies C is equal to 3. Now we know the cost of a child ticket. To find the value of A, we need to substitute the value of C in one of the equations. Let's substitute the value of C in the equation 4A plus 4C is equal to 32. We get 4A plus 4 times 3 is equal to 32. Simplifying and solving for A, we get 4A is equal to 20, which means A is equal to 5. Thus, the cost of an adult ticket is £5, whereas the cost of a child ticket is £3. Nice, we have solved this problem. Now it's your turn to solve one question on your own. The question is, it costs £37 for 5 adults and 4 children to attend a football match. For 2 adults and 2 children, it costs £16. Find the total cost of 4 adult and 3 children tickets. Pause the video and try to solve the question. Press play when you're ready to check your answer. Could you find the cost of tickets for 4 adults and 3 children? The correct answer is £29. Excellent. Now you are ready to study the final technique, that is elimination by multiplying both the equations. See you in the next lesson.
If you like this video, please make sure you click the like button, and if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do it right away. To access the full 11 plus geometry course, please visit the link provided in the description below. You can avail an additional 30% off on this course by using the coupon code YouTube30 during checkout.